We've just acquired this lovely looking Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2.2 dynamic. It's got a host of specification on it. So you've got front park distance control, the upgraded alloy wheels. It's got the black roof, finished in lovely Firenze red. Got rear park distance control. It's got a reverse camera on it as well. It's absolutely stunning. Drives fantastic. It's got the fully electric powered tailgate. Boot area is in lovely condition. Full leather seats with the white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. Just start the car. It's done 101,139 miles. So we've got the home screen there, we've got satellite navigation. Got the media pack, DAB, got Bluetooth, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, different driving modes, the all-terrain system. Got an aux and a USB, got multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, automatic headlights. Absolutely lovely condition. Little place for your glasses. Reverse camera, Meridian sound system. It's just had a full service, just been MOT'd at DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.